I'm Peter Caton from Portland Tennis Center, and I'm going to demonstrate a quick activity that you can do at home. It just takes a few materials that you probably already have, and this is a game that you can practice on your own or with a partner. So you need some kind of lid, it's a yogurt lid in this case, and you don't need to have a handle, but I assembled a little handle from a knife and just taped it on there to secure it. And then you probably want to have a ball of some sort. Here's a little felt ball that my cat was willing to loan me. And you might have a ping pong ball or something like that too. So, and you might have a cereal box that I have on the table over here. If you want to set up a ping pong net type of situation. So I'll demonstrate some games you can do. One is bounce ups. So you can use this just like a ping pong paddle or tennis racket and practice bouncing that up. See how many you can do. That's pretty good. That's my best one so far. And then you could challenge yourself more on that, and you can bounce it up on both sides of the racket. Definitely a little bit harder. If the ball has some bounce, you could bounce it on the table. Bounce down. That would probably work a little better with a ping pong ball. And then if you have a partner to play with, you can set up two rackets and rally over a cereal box like this. So I hope that you'll give this a try and have some fun with it. Thank you.